Hi, my name is Colin Minchell, and I work at the Anoka-Hennepin School District office here in Anoka. And I wanted to take a couple minutes just to give a quick overview about ParentVUE, how to log in, and what you might find important once you get logged in. The easiest way to log into your ParentVUE account is to go to the Anoka-Hennepin School District website, and you'll see that address right up here, ahschools.us. If you can't find that, do a simple Google search of Anoka-Hennepin Schools, and you should find our website easily. Once you get to the district webpage, from any page, no matter where you are, there should always be this login button in the upper right corner. You click that, and that's going to take you to the login page. I'm going to log in with a parent account that is a test one, so you're going to see maybe things a little bit differently than what you see. Your parent username or password, hit the go button, and it's going to bring you to what we call the landing page. These are all the icons that you have access to as a parent. There should be a home page for all the schools where you have students attending. So if you have more children, you're going to have more of these icons. If you have fewer kids, then you're going to have fewer links. The place you're going to want to go is way towards the bottom. And the most important icon is this one called My Student Information. Real quick, you probably will also have these My Conference Time icons for the different schools where your kids attend. These are to schedule parent conferences when it's time for the parent-teacher conferences. So I'm going to go into My Student Information, and there are quite a few things that you can do here. But this is the place where you will find all of the school information for your children. For students kindergarten through 5th grade, you probably are not going to find as much information under the grade book. That is mostly, at least now, for students grades 6 through 12. But for all students, you're going to find attendance history. So if you click on the attendance, you'll be able to see the days that they're absent. You can look by each student. So the student that I'm looking at now, I've chosen from this list up here. So if I have a different student I want to look at their attendance, I need to choose them from here. So if I change students, then it will change and I'll see a new attendance record. You can also report a student absence from here. So if you know your student is going to be missing school and you click this report absence option, you can put in the dates the student will be absent, the reason, and if you need to leave a note or add a doctor's note, you can do that right from here. The biggest thing, however, is the gradebook. So when you click on the gradebook tab over here on the left, now this is a test student, so it's not going to show any grades, but you would see all of your classes for your students and their current grades. And if you click on it, then you would also be able to see specific assignments. So it would look more like this. So we can look through here and you can see that I have a health and algebra, PE, language arts, and then what you would do is you would click on a particular class. And again, this is a test student, so we're not going to see any specific assignments, but you can see that that's what would show down here, and you can keep track of your students' assignments. The last thing is under this student information section, and this is a real important area because it can show you information about emergency contacts, your current contacts, and if the student has a locker, that assignment will be here along with a combination. And then if the student has a bus route, then that information will be shown here as well. So lots of good information in ParentVUE. There are ways too that you can set up notifications if you want to receive emails about how your student is doing. If you click on the My Account, you can go here and say, I want to be notified every Monday. And if you only want messages when grades are below a certain percentage, you can add that there. And then you can add additional emails down here where you'd like those to be sent. So that's ParentVUE. This is also called the Parent Portal. There is an app called ParentVUE. It's spelled parent and then it's VUE. That's available in both the App Store for Apple devices and the Google Play Store for Android devices. So I hope this helps. Brief overview of ParentVUE, how to get logged in. If you need any help with your login information, feel free to call the helpline, which is 763-506 and the word HELP, HELP. Thank you.